bridge construction, petrochemical operations, telecommunications, heavy equipment manufacturing, wind energy. In the industrial world, the might and agility of crawler cranes are indispensable. These mechanical giants stride across challenging terrains, their tracks gripping the earth as they hoist colossal weights with ease. Let's delve into 5 sectors where these cranes are not just useful, but absolutely vital. Imagine the intricate dance of construction at a bridge site, where every girder and concrete section must be precisely placed. Crawler cranes shine here, their stability and lifting prowess essential for maneuvering in tight spaces and ensuring that each piece slots perfectly into the grand design. In the petrochemical and refinery sectors, the air buzzes with the sound of progress, and crawler cranes are at the heart of it. They meticulously install distillation columns and heat exchangers, their every move a testament to the precision required in these high-stakes operations. As the world clamors for better connectivity, crawler cranes answer the call. They erect and maintain cell towers with an efficiency that matches our need for speed and communication, reaching skyward to weave the web of our digital network. In the realm of heavy equipment manufacturing, crawler cranes are the unsung heroes. They lift and position the hefty components of mining trucks and bulldozers, navigating assembly lines with a finesse that belies their size, ensuring the heartbeat of industry never skips a beat. Finally, in the burgeoning field of renewable energy, crawler cranes are pivotal. They install and maintain wind turbines, their formidable presence a symbol of our commitment to harnessing the power of nature. With each turbine they raise, they help chart a course towards a greener future. Crawler cranes are more than just machines. They are the sinew and bone of industry, enabling progress and innovation across various sectors. Without them, the landscape of industrial achievement would be vastly different.